Today's lesson is gonna be about the pancreas. So, what is the pancreas and what role does it have inside of our body? The pancreas is a really important organ inside of our body, and it's really important for the digestive system, as I told you in the last video about the digestive system. But just in case you want to watch that too, I will put a link down below in the description box. So the pancreas is located behind the stomach, here in the upper abdomen area, right next to the duodenum, which is the starting part of the small intestine. Anatomically, it can be divided into three parts: a head, a body, and a tail. What is the pancreas? The pancreas is a gland, but what makes it so special is the fact that it's both an exocrine and an endocrine gland. If you don't know what an exocrine and an endocrine gland are, I will make a video talking specifically about that. The exocrine part produces important enzymes which have a fundamental role in the digestion. So it produces amylase, which is needed for carbohydrate in order to break them down into glucose. Then we have the lipases, which breaks down fats, and then we have the proteases, which breaks down proteins into amino acids. But since these enzymes are really strong, they have a protective tissue around them. But once they leave the pancreas through the pancreatic ducts, and they reach the main duct, which is connected along as well with the bile, which is produced by the liver. Here they lose the protective tissue which they have around them. Whereas on the other hand, the endocrine part has the main role to produce hormones which will go in the blood and then regulate the sugar levels inside of the blood. It mainly produces glucagon and insulin. Insulin reduces the glycemia levels in the blood, whereas glucagon enhances the glycemia levels inside of the blood. If you still have other questions, just comment down below and I will try to answer them in the next video. Thank you for watching.